Okay, here is the SNAKOL ST203. It's a digital clamp meter, as you can see. Okay, yeah, we have the user manual. The probes. Okay, here we go. These are the probes. Okay, these for temperature measurement. Here's the meter. Rated 600 volt AC, 600 volt, 600 amp DC. This is good. Very portable. It's really nice. Now it doesn't come with a battery, but all you need is you need two AAA battery for this, for it to come on. Let me put on the battery. Okay, here we go. The NCV live. This is used to detect a live circuit, basically, where, you know, when you want to check if current is flowing, basically used to check a live circuit to see if, you know, if there's current in a particular circuit. The sensor is at the top here, so you just put that close to, you know, anywhere you suspect that there is current, and it's a very good indicator for that. Nothing here, this one is off. Okay. Voltage measurements, AC. So basically we can, you know, click on select to switch between, currently on AC, now it's DC, so we can switch between AC and DC voltage. Now let's measure AC first of all. Yeah, you can see how the meter lights up when it's connected to high voltage. Okay, so we have 232 volts AC here. Okay, now I'm going to switch over to DC. I have a single lithium battery here. You can see the battery is fully charged, 4.117 volts. So this meter can also measure temperature. It can measure capacitance. So it can also measure temperature and capacitance. So I'm just going to try out the temperature measurement now. Yeah. Okay, degrees now. And that is 30 degrees. That is the room temperature. Okay. Yeah, I have the probe inside my refrigerator, and that is about 4 degrees, about 4 degrees there. Okay, that's really cool. Now back to room temperature, 33 degrees. Okay, let's do continuity test here. Okay, all right, and of course let us test the clamp meter. Let's measure current using the clamp meter. Okay, measuring AC here. You have 0.87 amps. Over here AC. Back to 0. Okay. SNAKOL 203 can measure AC and DC voltages, AC and DC current of up to 600 amp. Can measure resistance, can measure capacitance, and can also measure temperature. So if you're looking to buy this digital clamp meter, I would recommend it. It's a good buy. It's really affordable, and it gets the job done. So, and yes, it has a flashlight over here. So guys, if you want to get this, you can go ahead and and get it. It's really good.